In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the TikTok memory trend echo effect in CapCut. If you've been scrolling through TikTok, you've likely come across videos with a dreamy cinematic sound effect that makes memories feel even more nostalgic. This effect, known as the echo effect, adds a subtle yet powerful layer of emotion to any clip. Whether you're editing a heartfelt montage or a reflective moment, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to achieve it. And if you're new to CapCut, you can use the link in the description to download it and get started. Now let's dive in and bring your videos to life. To start, open CapCut and create a new project. Once you're in, it's time to import your media. You can do this by either dragging your chosen video clip directly onto the timeline or selecting it from your files. Setting up your workspace with the clip you want to edit is the first step to creating something amazing. Next, click on your clip in the timeline to select it. This is an important step because only the clip you've selected will be affected by the changes you make. If you happen to have multiple clips in your project, make sure you're working on the right one. Now let's move on to the audio adjustments. Look over to the right-hand side of your workspace where you'll find the editing panel. Within this panel, locate the audio tab and open it. This is the section where you'll find all the sound effects and enhancements available in CapCut. It's your go-to area for adding depth and atmosphere to your audio. Once you're in the Audio tab, look for the Voice Changer option and click on it. This will bring up a variety of preset audio effects designed to transform your sound. From here, scroll through the list of voice effects and select the one labeled Echo. The Echo effect is the key ingredient for creating that nostalgic cinematic vibe that's so popular in the memory trend. After applying the Echo effect, it's time to fine-tune it to match the mood of your video. Start by adjusting the quantity slider. This controls the number of echo repetitions. If you want a surreal, distant effect, increase the quantity. On the other hand, if you prefer a cleaner and more subtle echo, reduce the quantity, take your time here, and think about the feeling you want to convey. Next up is the strength slider, which allows you to control the intensity of the echo. A lower strength will give you a soft, reverb-like quality that adds a touch of atmosphere without overpowering the original audio. If you're going for a more dramatic and impactful effect, slide it up to increase the strength. Now, keep in mind that these sliders are all about experimentation. Feel free to tweak them until you achieve the exact mood you're looking for. Once you've made your adjustments, it's time to preview your work. Hit the play button to watch your clip and listen to the echo effect in action. This step is crucial because it lets you hear how the changes fit with the overall tone of your video. If something feels off, don't worry. You can always go back and make further adjustments to the sliders. And finally, when you're happy with how everything sounds and looks, it's time to export your video. Click the Export button, choose your preferred settings, and save your project. Exporting finalizes your work and turns it into a shareable file so you can upload it directly to TikTok or any platform of your choice. And that's how you create the TikTok memory trend echo effect in CapCut. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your video's audio and evoke that perfect sense of nostalgia. If you have any questions or want to share your results, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.